channel. I hope you're doing fantastic. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina, and this is a paper craft and also an organizational channel. So if you are interested in watching this type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. I am continuing the Craftroom organization videos today, and I am going to show you how I am currently storing my stickers. Yes, so some of you requested to see how I organize the stickers. So if you are interested in watching this video, let's keep moving. I had a video on how I store my crafty supplies. I believe it was published last year. However, things have changed because I keep changing things, I keep moving around, editing my inventory, making sure that I have things that I need. So let's take a look and get closer. So this is the IKEA Kallax cabinet that I had since I used to live in Tampa, so this is how old they are. So let's take a look at the first drawer. I know last year I used to store here all my flowers, so I changed I believe starting this year, and I reorganized things. So in this first drawer I have all my little, I want to call it knickknacks because it's a little bit of everything. Little flowers, loose bows, things that I have bought at Tuesday morning, you know, little clips, more little flowers, and these are like hush posh of loose stuff that I have, you know, collected for the amount of years. And this should be here, and from my Studio Calico, little bows. I'm gonna open these up, and these are some little things that I contain them in packages, so I know that if I'm looking for a particular item or color, I will just gravitate and come to this drawer. Here are the Hobby Lobby rosettes that I have. I don't have that many. Here some little knickknacks, unicorn stuff. Let's go to the second drawer. This is where I store my stickers. So I have everything categorized, and not by color but by sentiments. Like I have here all my alphas. So, and I use these 12 by 12 binding or envelope that I got at Hobby Lobby. Then as you can see, I start like in alphas, bows, hearts. As you can see, I don't have that many. And then birthday, birds, butterflies. This is the other one. This one I bought at the Container Store, which is like a little bit smaller than the Hobby Lobby envelopes. And this is baby, you know, boy or girl. So now the third drawer, I have here all girls and animals, travel, flowers, mermaid, llama, unicorns, food, Disney, and dogs. So it's easy. So I know that if I am looking for working on flowers, I grab my flower envelope and start digging and finding out what I am going to use. So to me it's fun to dig things around and have things contained. I don't have color categorized anything because I don't have that many stickers to me, right? And now the fourth drawer, the same thing. I have this vintage, yes, because I also love vintage stuff, so I have vintage. This is I have not labeled this one, but these are all my crate paper, you know, the good vibes. And over here I have words, so any stickers with words, sentiments from all the collections. And underneath, of course, I have Valentine. So this is all the Valentine stickers. And I think I'm missing one here. Oh, words and summer. Yeah. So, more words and summer. You know, summer sentiments. And let me go ahead and pull that up. So I normally, if I'm crafting, I go and just grab the envelope and start digging around. Now the 5th drawer, this is all the chipboard. Yes, I don't have that many chipboard. I tend not to collect too many things. So like Prima, things that I have bought in, you know, Tuesday morning, and I have here the crepe paper pool party, and you know, a few things that I have bought at Tuesday morning, and more things here. So I don't have that many chipboard. And my last drawer, this is all the heavy chipboard. Yes, when I used to live in Tampa Bay, Florida 10 years ago, I attended a lot of workshops, and I ended up always getting, like, you know, more than what we use, right? So these are all the chipboard that last summer I edited and donated a couple of them. So I kept a few things that I said maybe I'm going to use them, and I have used them not too much, but I might be detaching some. So let me know if you're interested in to see, you know, a detached video. As I mentioned in my previous videos, I like to reorganize things because we have to make space, make room for the new things to come to me, right? Yeah, these are some really fancy pens. Really, I would say these are like collectible items because they don't, this is like 10 years old and they're still in good shape, and you probably cannot even find these things in eBay. And oh, K & Company, I love this company. These chipboards are like so beautiful. And here, like collections of little, you know, chipboards that I have been acquiring. And I use one of the containers. When you buy at the supermarket, the containers for where it comes the herbs, well, guess what? I washed them and I reused them in the packaging, you know, saving some money. Yeah, so that's my last drawer. Well, this was a short video, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to keep watching these type of videos, organizational videos or paper craft related videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.